Well, this one looks a little different. Now, this one's exciting. Let me tell you what. All right. I have my radical all by itself. There's no coefficient here. There's no number added outside. It's all by itself. I'm ready to square both sides to get rid of that square root. Now, when I do that, the square root cancels and I'm left with x minus 1. That's easy. That's the easy part. So I get x minus 1. Now, here's the issue. We've got to FOIL this one. Now, if you are somebody that's going to be like, oh, it's x squared plus 49, I will be very upset with you, okay? And I'm going to cry. All right, so you can't just do that. You can't just distribute the exponent when you have addition or subtraction in here. What we have to do is we have to think about like a FOIL problem. So we're going to have x minus 7 times x minus 7. Okay, so I'm going to have x squared. I'm going to have negative 7x and negative 7x, which gives me negative 14x, and then plus 49 equals x minus 1. So you would have been really close. However, you would have been missing that middle term, the negative 14x. Okay, well now I'm dealing with an x squared here. I'm dealing with a quadratic. We love that word. So I need to get everything to one side, set it equal to 0, so I can factor and solve. And we love to factor. We're so excited. So I get x squared. I'm going to subtract x. I get negative 15x. I add 1. I get 50. That equals 0. Now I can factor and solve. Well, I need to multiply to 50 and add to negative 15. Whew. What is going to do that? How about negative 5 and negative 10? Oh, yeah. So I'm going to factor x minus 5, x minus 10, and that equals 0. If I set each of these equal to 0 and solve for x, I'm going to get x equals 5. I'm going to get x equals 10. Sweet. Okay. Now here comes the time where we need to check both of these solutions before we say, hey, yeah, they both work. Oh, hold your horses, not so fast. If I plug in 5 for x over here, I get negative 2. Oh, whatever. It's no big deal. Here I get positive 4. Square root of 4 is 2. But wait, hold up. This would be 2 when I plug 5 in, but this would be negative 2. Does negative 2 equal positive 2? So this time, our 5 is not going to work. No, we didn't have a negative underneath the square root, but can the square root of 4 ever equal a negative 2? No. Doesn't work out. Let's see if the 10 works, because who knows, maybe none of them work. If I plug in our 10, I'm going to have 10 minus 7, which is 3. Here I'm going to have 10 minus 1, which is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. 3 equals 3. Woo! This one works, but the 5 does not. Awesome sauce.